Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Keroppi Valentine's Day picture. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the right side and let's draw Keroppi. We'll start with 2 large circles at the top for the eyes. Next, inside the right eye, let's draw another circle. And color this one in black. And then inside the left eye, let's draw a curve up and back down. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve down, underneath on both sides, stopping here. Now before we continue the head, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a U-shaped curve on an angle on the left, and one in the opposite way on the right. Now at the top of each hand, let's draw a zigzag line forming 3 fingers. Now let's close off the bottom of the head with a line across in between. Now let's move inside and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a thicker curve at the bottom. And now inside on the cheeks, I'm going to draw some red diagonal lines for the blush lines. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath each of the hands and let's draw a curve down. And then connect them at the bottom. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the bow tie. At the top, let's draw a triangle shape out to the left and out to the right. And then color them both in black. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the feet. Let's step in from the sides and let's draw a small curve down. And then 2 curves going down and out from the middle. Now at the bottom, let's draw a wavy line across on both feet. And that's it for Keroppi. Now let's move over to the left side and draw Teru. Let's start by drawing a small sideways oval for the head. And now inside, let's draw 2 small black circles for the eyes. And then underneath, let's draw a V shape for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top of the head and let's draw the bow. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and a smaller one underneath. Now that we're done the head, let's move down and draw the body. On the bottom right, let's draw the arm going out with a curve. And then a curve down, underneath, and over to the left. Now let's hop to the left side and let's draw another curve. And then one more bump to close it off. And lastly, inside, let's draw 2 diagonal lines from the top. And that's it for Teru. Now let's add the heart balloons coming out from the hand. Let's start on top of the hand and let's draw an angled line up. And then let's draw the first balloon on top with a heart shape. Now let's move underneath on the right and let's draw another heart. And then add the string back down to the hand. Now for the next balloon, let's draw it on the top left and behind the other heart. And again, the string back down to the hand. Now on top of the middle heart, let's draw another line up, and then another heart on top. And now let's add one more heart on the top here. And then add the string going down and continue it underneath the other balloon down to the hand. And that's it for this cute Keroppi Valentine's Day drawing. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!